Thank you po, Miss Emmy. Thank you for everyone. So I just wanted to say thank you for first kay Mamu for bringing me here, no, sa Pupo. I was just not thinking na I will have this kind of foundation. Sabi nga nila, in every circumstances, God is there. And I am so blessed kasi sa daming agency na andito sa Pupu, I am one of those so lucky enough na dito ako napunta. At ito na nga, I am not just earning, but also I am planting, no? I am planting seeds, not just for this, sabi nga ni Ma'am, for this temporary life. So for those everyone out there na who don't understand what we are doing, you will never understand us unless you walk with us and you start learning, you start listening and opening your heart. What are we doing in this platform? So they are like mocking na why are you there? This is like a platform like not for, sabi nga nila, like respect or something, but no, as long as there are so flock of people or may mga tao, God is there in that group. So I believe that God is here with us tonight, na nakikinig siya, and because we are here praising him and being grateful, no, we are not here not just because for the money or etc., but we are here to strengthen our foundation, our relationship to him. Because at first I was like hesitant, sabi ko, hala, pag ma-start na ako ng praise and worship baka mabago, alam mo yon, kasi I am not really 100% Christian nga, but then yung alinlangan ko, it was answered kasi hindi ko pa na open up kay Miss Emmy when I attended the cell group. Ang bungad talaga ni Miss Emmy is, we are not here for the religion but for the relationship. So I said, hello God, no, hindi ko pa nga nasabi yung nasa isip ko, but then you give answer directly. So if you started to join with us and then you started to do what we are doing, then you really will understand and you will really feel the genuine happiness that, alam mo yun, yung bata pa tayo, like you will receive something na ini-expect mo every Christmas. Then, diba, as you grow older, you will realize, wala, iba na yung happiness. Parang hindi ka na na-excite. But then when I started this journey, I started my devotional, I started learning, and I started listening, bumalik yung happiness ko as a child. And I'm so happy that for like 37 years, or like let's say 35 years, nawala siya. Kasi when you're adulting, iba na yung happiness mo. But then now, I can say, I can feel the genuine happiness that I am really looking for so many times. And then me as a panic girl, kasi usually nagpapanik ako agad, the overthinking, everything, it is really renewed and my mind transformed. Alam mo yun, yung mga little worries ko before, now I can sleep just like, okay Lord, I lift it up to you. Ikaw na bahala, it's beyond my capacity, I cannot do this. And then the following day, everything is fine because God is working the things I cannot do, because I know I have faith and He will always protect me and He is my shield. So thank you so much, AJ Agency, to Miss Emmy, Kodus to you, to Pastor, to everyone, to Mamu, to Mama Lala for all the prayers and the favors, no? I am really seeing that life is changing talaga. Thank you, Lord.